24 AC, it's like this is worth 100, she does. Awesome. 2 for 1. Let's get this guy taken off. Wow, running is probably. I can't tell. Wait till he comes around here. 8044 and look at that. 2969, look at that. Never neat. 420 or 421. And then we should have 420. 421's passing us right now. We should have 420 coming right after this guy or meeting this guy. Like, I don't know if 420 is moving already, or does he have to wait for this guy? I'm not sure. Oh, there's my radio.
So running lead here, 420 is just finishing up fueling there, and ECO 5 right now. They're going to be pulling out of the snow track. Take from there, up to ECO 5. Finish ECO 5 will pick up that train. It'll provide the power shop.
Look at all the auto racks he's got. It's like 10 o'clock a.m. right now, and we have 420 passing us right, or 421. 420's just passed. 421. 421 is just passing us. The manifest or mixed freight that's originates in the Asian Courtyard in Toronto, Ontario, terminates in Winnipeg, Manitoba. I wasn't sure who was going to show up. I wasn't sure who was going to show up first. 421 is up here first. And then as soon as he's clear, we should have 420 right after this guy. 420 says he's finishing up fueling. Here comes the end of 421. Underway Operations is calling somebody in now. I don't know who. 421 is and they should be having a meet with 420. It's in E yard, the new yard. 420. He's such a long one. Wow, he's a long one.
44 West answering over.
Yep, clear the north track here now.
Clear the north track, thank you.
Clearing the north track.
44 West, clear 2 and at the Diamond North Track.
This is 421. I don't know how long 420 is going to be after this guy, but here comes the end of 421, and we should have 420 right after this guy also. This is the end of 421. There you go.
20 operation.
7042, SD70 ACU in the lead. Look at that. Man, look how fast he's going. I'll bet he's leaving town right now. 7052 or 42. Really nice shot of an SD70 ACU. There he comes. Number 7042.
Hey, I'm gonna tell you those coffee mugs.
I forget. I just Bob. I forgot. I'm just videotaping the train. 7042. Look at that. Syndicated to leave on the south side. Oh, looks like he's slowing up. I wonder if he's having a meet westbound. Or is he waiting on me? Ah, he's slowing down. She makes a freight train.
122. Mile 121 display. 121 display. Deputy sub. Restrictions 25, 25 mph. Main track. GBO number M 8662. 8662. The body reads signals may not be in place. Signals may not be in place.
Signal may not be in place. Oh.
M8662, locator repeat over. Okay, that's to the second 420, or 2420-26. 2420-26. Between mile 122.12 and mile 121, decimate 121 decimate. Significant sub. Instruction 25 mile per hour, 25 mph. Main track M8662, M8662. Signals may not be in place.
Restriction.
Selected in 1207, 1207, DJB over. Shows complete. 1207, 1207, DJB. Acknowledge Benjamin Miller. Bring it to Houston first. Thank you,
So, I'm not sure if there's another westbound coming. I don't know. I don't know, man. I don't know. But yeah, he's just... I mean, if he says clear at Current River, then that means he's for sure leaving. Now he's beginning to motor his way up. Oh, look. I wonder if that's the end of 420 down there already. I'd say he's kind of shorter than the 421 that I caught earlier this morning at like 9 a.m. or no, 10, a couple hours ago. Okay, it looks like he's got indication to leave. He doesn't have to wait for anybody. Oh, CN Road Channel. All the auto racks he's got. Are these loaded autos? I'm sure these are loaded auto racks. A lot of graffitis on these auto racks. Something that I don't pay attention to, the graffitis that are painted on the cars of the train. Yeah. Those are empty autos. pretty loud. Alright. And it was 420. That, not sure if that's it or the yard. There's a yard crew coming, or if that's not it, that'll like conclude my morning rail fanning. There it goes. 7042. Awesome. Too bad it's not a heritage unit, but oh well. Could send an EMD. Alright, so we got a CN train coming. ET44AC. ET44AC number 3168's leading. Conductor's out. Must be switching off the train. It's probably a grain train. Yeah, he's got his lights on. Wonder if he's... Oh yeah, is he pulling up or is he stopping? He's pulling onto the spur, the Kinghorn spur, the lead of the Kinghorn spur. 3168. I think he's notching up. Wasn't expecting a CN train. CN number 3168. It's got that on there. Where that CN train came from, but wow, he's going pretty full as he crosses the gate. As he crosses right now. Alright, he's fine, right? I don't think he's going to Richardson's, especially if the conductor is still on the ground. It's just the engineer inside the locomotive right now. The conductor is over on the back in the yard. The conductor was dropped off, so he's got to be pulling ahead to the yard. So I don't know how far ahead he'll be pulling out, but oh well. I go to CN Green. He must have a long way to go yet. A couple of CP and CN, a couple of CP trains and then a CN today. Didn't expect to see him. I was just about to head home until I spotted him down the yard. Looks like he's stopping now. Yeah, he's stopping. Getting ready to yard his train into the yard. Radio up a little more so I can hear what's going on. I got access to the CN road channel. Okay, it looks like he's stopped now. Okay, now I think he's backing. And here they're backing up. They are setting their train off in the yard. Still gotta grab the DPU yet. I guess they must have already set the other DPU part of the train off, I guess. And the yard, the CN yard crew might be right behind us. Right behind us. Oh, sorry. And there goes the CN. grain train, probably G890. And there he goes. Yeah, another train. That's a different train actually. Whoa, SD75I number 5701. 5701 and fucking, what's that? 2674. Awesome. Another CN train. So 2 CN trains. Awesome. That's awesome. SD75I 5701 and C44-9W number 2674. Awesome. Looks like he just pulled in here. I thought that was the CN yard crew, but no, it's another fucking grain train apparently.
891 leaving yard.
Leaving yard, huh? There's the rest of his train down there, and there's another fucking CN train down there. It's all Gvo's fudge. Is CN busy today? I'm not sure.
Go back to 5 again.
What is that, G890 or G841 getting ready to roll as soon as this guy clears out of the way? I'm not sure. I don't know. Now this guy's moving. I had a feeling that this guy would start moving any minute now. And that other CN. 30 something. I don't know what the numbers of these Gvos, but it's nothing appealing. You always see the Gvos on.
I've got your pin in your tap. Okay, I had to clear 32 switch. Probably need like 5 cars live.
3133, I think that's what I heard.
Back to our town.
There's the back of that other grain train that I caught in this.
Go back to 5.
No, I'm not 100% sure if this guy's
892 lined out through 22.
892. All grainers. So this guy just looks like he stopped. So I'm gonna stop here. You can see the power of that other CN that I caught being wide right now. And the conductor's on it right now. They're just backing her down. So this empty grain train is probably not leaving until this power gets wide, but oh well. It's fine. It's all, those 3 units are just nothing interesting. At least I caught those other 2 CNs, but oh, I think I'm gonna call it now, for real this time. Well, see you later.
That's the one you were looking for? Yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, that's the one. Well, here comes the end of the thing right now.